All wisdom messages are effective in the eternal now for one and all. And all healing creations given to you in the now activates your entirety for your angelic soul song remembrance, higher self, and soul truth. The Holy Spirit, wisdom within, and higher self provides you with breadcrumbs to help you in your sacred path to eternal love. Let the healing flow naturally, and know that I am here for you, holding your hand as we traverse the rainbow light to our divine source. 9:13 13:9. For the healing wisdom writings, and for fragile and genuine eyes healing, you can access the healing creations on my YouTube channel, Sophie Divine Feminine. The purpose of this YouTube channel, Sound of a Siren, is to start sounding the siren that we have now entered the light portal of gentle transition to the new earth with ease and grace. As a blue ray, reaching out and sending the sacred messages needs a lot of divine guidance and self-assurance in one's entirety. This took me a lot of courage to reach out and share the pure truth for the service of one and all. The heart's plea of all awakened ones is to come back home to our divine source. I heard it and felt this call. So I am standing firmly to assure all awakened ones that the new earth is here now. I am now sounding the siren to all awakened twin flames, way showers, and all healers. Speak now. Stand your ground. Hold on to your gift of discernment and voice out your soul truth and angelic soul song within. For the rainbow healing light wave is here now, and the mass awakening is heading us now. The blue rays has now activated the heart of humanity. I am sharing the angelic soul song activation and octave twin flame activation to one and all. Be strong, my beloveds. We have been trained for eons for this mission and vision. We are all unstoppable. And I surround you and all sacred vessels with the highest vibration of the violet flames. With love eternal, Sophie, Divine Feminine, I am the sound of a siren.